Hello again. So in this mindfulness exercise, we're going to look at the breath. It's called the 3-minute breathing space. So when was the last time you breathed? And I mean really breathed, not just for life, but just really breathing, focusing on our breath. See, this is such a fast-paced and frantic world that many of us never really focus on the breath. And many of us don't even think about how important our breath is for calming our body's nervous system. You know, whenever you feel yourself bubbling over with nervous tension, if you just took just 3 minutes to focus on your breath, honestly, just 3 minutes can help you to feel calmer. The 3-minute breathing is a brief mindfulness meditation that can help incorporate mindfulness into your day. Just try it. It's 1 minute on focusing your attention, 1 minute in your breathing, and 1 minute on focusing and expanding your awareness. It enables the disruption of automatic patterns of thinking and behaviour. And let's face it, they're not always positive. And it helps us to increase coping skills. So I would just, in 3 questions, asking yourself, where am I? How am I? And what am I thinking? So you're stepping away from the doing mode, that frantic, never-ending seeing to your to-do list, and just having a brief moment to disrupt habitual patterns of thought and behaviour and become aware of your current experience in the here and now. So a single focus of attention. Attention is directed away from thinking to focus on the breath. And the last step, the attention, includes the awareness of body sensations and focusing on the whole body. So we'll give it a try in the 3-minute breathing exercise.